What's going on, guys? Today's gonna be a little bit different video. It's not gonna be really mowing. It's gonna be a product review of a security system. Now, I think it's pretty important to have if you're in this kind of business anyway, so you can help protect your equipment along with insurance and everything else. This is just another way to help protect it. And I had some issues come up, and that's the reason why we decided to go with it. Just go ahead and protect ourselves. But this is what we went with. The Blink, the X2 or XT2 comes with 5 cameras, and then this here is your processor deal. Comes with a USB cord and a AC adapter. These are waterproof and they have batteries. They're supposed to be good for 2 years. We'll see about that. Then you have your mountain hardware. Doesn't seem too complicated, but I'm gonna put it up, hang it up. I'm gonna make sure the wife's happy with where they're at. Make sure we get every angle covered. I think 5 of them will do it just fine. Anyway, y'all hang tight, and I'll show you what we really think about it. All right, guys. So here's the mountain hardware. Quite basic, looks like. You just put it together, or put these 2 ends together, and it comes with the 2 screws. Put them in there and then screw it to wherever you want. It is a wireless system, so you don't have to run any wires, and I think it runs off the Wi-Fi, of course. So I want to say the range would just be whatever the range of your Wi-Fi is, and I don't know, but I plan on checking into seeing if you get one of those Wi-Fi, one of the ones that supposed to amplify the signal or stretch it out. I wonder if that would help, but whenever it's all set up and running, I'll let y'all know. All right. Always, never fails. Didn't think it was gonna go in. Needs a little encouragement. Yeah, it's gonna work. I just gotta get to go in. Ah, there we go. Whew.
Well, I think it's just because of what you're trying to put it into.
Well, obviously, those are wood screws, not metal screws. All right, guys, so I got everything installed. If you're going to put these outside around your siding and stuff up there, I don't know why I'm pointing the camera at me whenever I was looking around the siding and all. If you're putting it up there on that, those screws that come with it, it takes a second to get them to go into the siding, but then they grab and they go and they're fine. But like I put one in this this metal awning that I have, and I would recommend putting if you got some metal screws laying around the house that will fit, I would recommend using them just to make it go faster. But they definitely will work without a doubt. All right, it just took a little bit longer, but as you can see, this is definitely there. Now these are rated for water resistant, I believe, not waterproof. And it actually says that you may encounter some inoperability or some kind of, it may not work properly or may not get a good signal, or they may not show as clear of a picture if once they get wet. So during a rainstorm, they may not be as clear, but once they dry out, they're supposed to start working again. The battery life that they come with is supposedly 2 years. I don't know if they're really gonna last that long or not, but we'll see. Also, they have the ability to, you can arm it, and then anytime it detects any kind of motion, it will send a notification to your phone. You can also use these and talk back and forth to somebody. My wife was actually doing it a while ago. Whenever I was setting it up, she was telling me yay or nay on the way it looked and which way I needed to turn it and everything. And you know, she was speaking. There is a slight delay, but it's nothing to really worry about. I'm happy with it. I would definitely give it a 5-star out of 5 when it comes to the installation. Installation was super easy, super quick, no problems at all, except for screwing it into the metal, and that's on me. That's not on the product. I don't think they really designed you to put it in a metal awning like that. My wife set up all the app and hooked all the the cameras and everything up to the Wi-Fi. She said it was really easy. All you had to do was download the app and then scan the QR code on the, there's a little memory, not a memory, a little, basically the brain, and you have to plug it in, connect it to the Wi-Fi, and then you just scan each camera, and as you scan it, you can you basically number it, and also you get to name the system, I guess. And she just named it our house, basically. I recommend this if you got any kind of equipment at your house. If you got anything, I don't know, it's just a security measure. It's a comfort blanket for me. We had man, look, I ain't even gonna try to hide it. All that is a property over there. There's a trailer right there. There's a little camper down there. I don't like all that. That's a huge eyesore. And the people, I don't want to seem judgmental, but I know what happened with the guy that lived there or that owns the property. And it's not the kind of people I trust. I'm gonna leave it at that. But that's what the camera systems are all for. Just to give me that extra little comfort. I know it ain't a prevention. It's a deterrent, I guess you could say. And that means that gives me a little bit more peace of mind, especially whenever I'm working. The wife is here alone. I can arm it, and if somebody comes up, I'll be here in a flash. That Hemi rolls. I ain't scared to put both feet flat on the floor, especially if my family's in trouble or could possibly be in trouble. I know some of you other guys are the same way. When it comes to your family, you'll go through hell and, with a smile. But anyway, I'm getting way off topic. I love this system so far. It's really cool. It's really nice. It's my wife was just looking at all of them. Super clear picture. I can see from the house all the way out to the road. I don't know, it's great. So I'll give y'all an update later on after we've used it for a little while. We're also getting the Ring doorbell just to help cover that much, a little bit more. And I'll give y'all an update whenever it comes. Whenever I've had it for a little while and I've used it for a little bit, and especially after it rains. That's what I'm really interested in. So after it rains, I'll give y'all another update. Here comes all the doggone boys in blue. Nah, I'll take that back. That's those slab savers, fire department. Anyway, the quote of the day comes from Drew Hadley. If you ain't checked up his YouTube page, go check it out. And he said, you don't get a second chance to make a first impression. All right, I loved it. It's awesome. All right, smash that thumbs up if you liked the video, and give me a subscribe if y'all don't mind. All right, y'all take it easy, and we'll see you next time.